10 Useful Kitchen Gadgets on Amazon 2025. When it comes to making your kitchen more efficient, enjoyable, and high-tech in 2025, the right gadgets can completely transform your cooking experience. From mastering artisan pizza to perfectly cooked meals every time, these kitchen tools combine innovation with practicality, helping you save time, reduce waste, and elevate your culinary game. Let's dive into 10 of the most useful kitchen gadgets you can find on Amazon this year. Gosney Rockbox Pizza Oven. The Gosney Rockbox Pizza Oven is a game-changer for anyone who loves authentic wood-fired pizza, but doesn't want to leave the comfort of their home. This portable oven reaches temperatures upwards of 900 degrees Fahrenheit, cooking pizzas in just 60 to 90 seconds to achieve that perfect crispy crust and bubbly cheese. Its insulated design ensures heat retention, while the compact size fits comfortably on your countertop or outdoor table. The oven runs on gas or wood, giving you versatile fuel options depending on your flavor preference. Beyond pizza, it can bake bread, roast vegetables, and sear meats, making it a versatile cooking companion. It's an investment for food lovers who want to impress guests with restaurant-quality dishes. Cleaning is also simple, thanks to its stone baking surface and removable parts, which means less hassle after the party. Le Creuset Ceramic Pans. Le Creuset ceramic pans are the epitome of elegant and durable cookware. Known for their exceptional heat distribution and non-stick properties, made with a high-quality ceramic coating, these pans allow you to cook with minimal oil. Perfect for healthier meals without sacrificing flavor. The vibrant, enamel-coated exteriors resist chipping and scratching, maintaining their aesthetic appeal over years of use. These pans heat evenly and maintain temperature well, reducing the risk of hot spots that burn food. They're also oven-safe, expanding their versatility from stovetop to baking, making them a great all-in-one tool. Easy to clean and dishwasher-safe, they help save time after cooking. Lodge Cast Iron Skillet. A kitchen classic that never goes out of style. The Lodge Cast Iron Skillet is renowned for its unbeatable heat retention and durability. This skillet is perfect for searing steaks, frying eggs, baking cornbread, or even slow-cooking dishes over time. Its pre-seasoned surface provides a natural, easy-release finish that improves with every use, making it a reliable go-to pan for any cooking style. Cast iron also adds a subtle iron boost to your meals, which is a nice nutritional perk. Although heavier than typical pans, its heft contributes to even cooking and great heat control. The Lodge skillet works on all heat sources, including induction, and can be used in the oven or on a grill. It's a lifelong investment piece that, with proper care, can be passed down through generations. Hamilton Beach Rice Cooker. The Hamilton Beach Rice Cooker is an essential gadget for anyone who wants perfect, fluffy rice without the guesswork or constant monitoring. This cooker features programmable settings that accommodate different types of rice, such as white, brown, or jasmine, and can even steam vegetables or cook quinoa. Its non-stick pot ensures easy cleanup, and the included measuring cup and rice paddle make portioning straightforward. The cooker's Keep Warm function automatically switches on after cooking to maintain optimal temperature, so you can prepare meals ahead of time without worrying about rice drying out. It's compact enough for smaller kitchens, yet powerful enough for family-sized meals. Innova Sous Vide Cooker. The Innova Sous Vide Cooker brings precision cooking into your home kitchen by allowing you to cook food in vacuum-sealed bags at exact temperatures and water baths. This method ensures that meats, vegetables, and even desserts are cooked evenly throughout, retaining moisture, flavor, and nutrients that conventional methods can compromise. The Innova device connects via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, letting you control and monitor cooking progress remotely through an app, which is great for multitasking. The compact and sleek design fits neatly on your pot or container without taking up much space. Sous vide cooking takes the guesswork out of donuts, helping both beginners and seasoned chefs achieve restaurant-quality results every time. Pyrex Glass Storage Containers. Pyrex glass storage containers are a kitchen staple that perfectly blends durability, safety, and versatility for food storage and reheating. These containers resist staining and odors better than plastic, and their tempered glass construction allows them to safely move from freezer to oven to microwave. The airtight, leak-proof lids help keep food fresh longer, preventing spills during transport or at the fridge. Available in a variety of sizes, they fit neatly in cabinets or stack in your fridge to optimize space. Pyrex containers are perfect for meal prepping, leftovers, or storing bulk ingredients, making them an eco-friendly and health-conscious choice. They're dishwasher safe, reducing cleanup effort and encouraging more sustainable food habits. Rubbermaid food storage containers. Rubbermaid food storage containers are known for their airtight seals and durable construction, offering a reliable solution to keeping your leftovers and fresh produce safe and organized. These containers come in a wide range of sizes, shapes, and stackable designs that help maximize kitchen storage space. The BPA-free plastic material ensures your food remains uncontaminated, while the tight seals lock in freshness and prevent spills, perfect for lunchboxes or picnics. Many Rubbermaid containers are microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe, making reheating and cleaning effortless. Their versatile design fits easily inside most refrigerator shelves and cabinets, promoting efficient food storage. These containers are a must-have for families and busy individuals who want to reduce food waste and meal prep time. OXO Produce Savers. The OXO Produce Savers are an innovative kitchen gadget designed to extend the life of your fresh fruits and vegetables by creating an optimal environment that slows down ripening. These specially designed containers control humidity levels and airflow, preventing premature spoilage and reducing food waste, a common kitchen frustration. Made with durable BPA-free plastic, they're easy to clean and fit neatly in your fridge. Their transparent design lets you see your produce at a glance, so nothing goes unnoticed or forgotten. Produce Savers come in various sizes to accommodate everything from berries to leafy greens. For anyone looking to eat healthier while saving money, these containers offer a simple yet effective solution to keep your groceries fresher for longer. Govee Smart Meat Thermometer. The Govee Smart Meat Thermometer is a must-have for cooking enthusiasts who want precise control over meat doneness, whether grilling, smoking, or roasting. This wireless thermometer connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, allowing you to monitor internal temperatures remotely with real-time alerts. It supports multiple probes, so you can cook different cuts or types of meat simultaneously without opening the oven or grill, maintaining consistent heat. The companion app provides preset temperature guides for various meats and cooking preferences, taking the guesswork out of timing. Its durable stainless steel probes and long battery life make it suitable for both indoor and outdoor cooking. Tovala Smart Oven. The Tovala Smart Oven redefines convenience in the kitchen by combining traditional cooking methods with smart technology to automate meal preparation. It pairs with a meal delivery service offering chef-crafted dishes, which the oven can scan and cook perfectly without manual input. Beyond that, it functions as a toaster oven, air fryer, and broiler, allowing versatile cooking options controlled through a smartphone app or voice assistants. The oven's built-in steam technology keeps food moist, while its sensors adjust cooking time and temperature based on the meal, ensuring consistent and delicious results. Compact and sleek, it fits in most kitchens and appeals to busy professionals or anyone wanting to save time without compromising quality. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the top kitchen gadgets of 2025, please hit that like button, share your favorite gadget or cooking tip in the comments, and subscribe for more insightful reviews and helpful kitchen hacks. Your support helps us bring you the best and latest in tech and home essentials.